Validity is all about whether or not we're measuring what we were trying to measure. Do the collected results represent the intended population? Validity is not necessarily binary, meaning results don't have to be valid or invalid. Validity is like a scale or spectrum, and findings can fall anywhere on that scale, depending on how valid or how invalid results may be. Reliability, it's important to understand that it's not necessarily about how correct the data is, but rather how consistent the data is. Think about whether or not a study can be repeated and if the same or similar results are reproduced by doing so. If the data cannot be reproduced, then the study lacks reliability. Reliability is the trustworthiness of results or data. Validity and reliability are both very important. However, it is possible to have one without the other. We can repeat a study and get the same results, but this doesn't mean that we measured what we were trying to measure. When we conduct research or review it, we need to know that we can trust the results and the findings. If we can't, then it's difficult to promote any real change or make a difference. Think about if we were doing research and claimed to have found a cure for cancer. If we can't reproduce the results showing that this so-called cure works, then who are we really helping? To ensure that findings are valid and reliable, we can do a few things. For validity, we can control variables where we're able to. We can make sure that samples are random and without bias. With those groups, we can look at a control group or a placebo group where needed. To ensure reliability, we can make sure that we're using consistent methods when conducting our studies. We can select appropriate samples that represent the designated population well, and that by repeating our research, we can have multiple trials as well to help ensure reliability.